Ebuka judging matters. Caretaker on judging matters. Judging Matters, the legal court-setting reality TV show owned by media personality and famous event host Ebuka-Obi Uchendu, has again busted another dubious Lagos State caretaker who has been cheating a co-tenant for over 2 years. The plaintiff, Mary Bundu, dragged a co-tenant who also doubles as the caretaker of a 20-room command, Apoede, to Judging Matters so that Justice Olusola Williams could intervene in a matter she sees as cheating and wickedness on her. Mary, when asked the reason for appearing before the judge, explained that Mr. Henry has been overcharging her for the monthly electricity bill for over 2 years, while other occupants of the compound have a jolly time. She said her electricity bill as shared by Mr. Henry has been 3,500, while other tenants pay as less as 1,500 naira, which means she has been paying 2,000 naira more than others. According to her, she works as a hairstylist, which makes her leave the house early in the morning and return late in the night, so she never really had time to know much about happenings in her compound. She added that she always pays any amount Mr. Henry, who shares the electricity bills, tell her to pay, until the day she had a chat with her neighbor who disclosed that she has been overcharged by the defendant. In her calculation, she has been defrauded to the tune of 56,000 naira, which the total of the 2,000 naira overcharge she has paid to Henry for the past 28 months as electricity bill. She prayed the court rules in her favor by ordering Mr. Henry, the caretaker, to refund the said amount. In his defense, however, Mr. Henry said it was true that he has been charging her the sum of 3,500 naira for monthly electricity bills against the amount others who stay in the bigger apartments in the same compound pay. However, Mary's overbilling was because she is the newest tenant in the compound, as other tenants have stayed for over a decade in the house, adding that he had lived for about 18 years in the house. According to him, the landlord made him the caretaker of the house because he has stayed the longest in the house, and it was his responsibility to share the electricity bill the way he deemed fit. Apparently furious, Ebuka, the general counsel and Justice Olusola Williams tagged his action sheer wickedness, and having gone through the documented evidence of the amounts being paid by all the occupants of the said compound, it was discovered that sometimes others pay as low as 800 naira, while Mary, the plaintiff, was still made to pay 3,500 naira. Justice Williams immediately ruled in Mary's favor, asking Mr. Henry to pay the sum of 56,000 naira, being the total of the 2,000 naira excess charge she has been made to pay for the past 28 months. She was, however, advised to be more vigilant, investigative of issues around her, and be smarter by looking out for persons who might want to take advantage of her innocence next time.